Oh, Zozo. Zozo. Hey, antics, antics. Hey, hey, shut, say, no. Hey, let's go. Me a dancer, me a gifted, me a anti-crucial. What's that? By the way, so yeah, this is a song by Oseikrom, Antics, Mathematics, Chairman, Mathematics. And so Chairman Oseikrom was found in high school, Kumasi.
The taxes man.
Kumasi High. And he was there to play a show, a Robo show. And so when he got there, as a chairman with the antics, with the mathematics,
and the tactics,
he was there to what? To spread some monetics. When the man took the money out, one boy can't take the money, just pass the car inside. They search the boys, still no music. But chairman there, they take your money one, just vex and take another bundle. What do you say? Just vex and take some bundle out and then spread the money. Now chairman say, vex. What's this? What antics is this? The chairman vex. Chairman vex. He bore. Chairman bore. But actually, me, I feel like Oseikrom there. Oseikrom Sikeni. Like that be name. Oseikrom Sikeni. Sikeni there. See, I want to blogger. Me say the man do budget. Say the money, every you go to share some stuff. But actually, so be like say the money all finished. The man vex one, share money again. Yeah. So that's the. Let's watch the video. Let's watch the video. Let's watch the video. And so that's all, Charlie. We are still with them. We are just waiting to get any. If I get any updates, I'll let you know. Radic Studio will do the best, do the most. Every time we have more fresh content, fresh information. And I said, if on the background now, with the garnish in a way that the others they do like that, you feel me? Now in Nigeria, Davido had a show, and in the show something happened that got Davido, pissed. Whilst he was performing and jamming, jamming, then Charlie, he looked into the crowd, and there was this woman or parent carrying her child, a baby, 4 or 5 months baby, in such a crowd. No, so the guy, they don't got pissed, and I understand his reaction. He's a father. Me, I'm a father, actually. Honest, I was very angry. Place where the crowd is, the place is packed, people are smoking, people are jamming. What if someone had snatched the child away? What if the child had fallen down and hits her head on the floor? Asimaba. And so the video was like, you are wicked, you are wicked. Let's go watch the video. Yeah, so you saw what Davido did. Like that was very. I understand him because as a parent, you don't want your child to experience certain things, and I don't know what entered the parent's mind to bring their child to such a program. See, some of you let me use this to address something. Some of you're not correct parents. You take your child out for a program like this where people are smoking. How will the child breathe? See, they have to catch that parent and lash that parent, lash the parent, seize the child, And I don't know, but it was very wrong on the person's part. And Davido's actions were very, very justified. Um, you know, whenever you're going for programs, I want to just advise people: leave your kids at home. Leave your kids at home. Don't take your kids along for such programs. Let them stay home. As good parents, your duty is to protect your child, not to expose your child to dangers. And so this is a short video. That's why Davido got angry, and his anger is justifiable. Yeah, guys, for more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.